Hi guys, I'm back with another analogy question, and this is going to be a slightly challenging question for students who do not understand the vocabulary of what's given there. However, and that being said, I think if you understand the relation between the words, it's going to become very easy. What should be the answer? As we have discussed in the previous questions as well, in the analogy question, we are supposed to establish a relation between the base words. When I say that we have to establish relation between the base words, what I actually mean is that you must have a very clear idea of what the two base words imply. Once you know what the two base words imply, it becomes easier for you to evaluate the answer choices and eliminate between them accordingly. So what are we supposed to do in this question type? In this question type, what we are supposed to do is that we have to look at the relation between the base word. In this case, we do not know what is the relation that Nictitate is supposed to have with the word that we're going to put in the blank. Expectorate is to spit. That is the relation that we have. Expectorate is when somebody spits. Expectorate is when somebody spits, right? So Nictitate is when somebody does what? Nictitate directly means to wink. So you have the answer right in front of your eyes. As I told you, if you know the word meaning, this question is ridiculously simple. If you do not know the word meaning, then probably you're going to struggle. Stomp karna kya hota hai? Crush underfoot definitely makes no sense here. Quitting has got no relation with Nictitate, neither has smoke. So our answer, the best answer choice and the correct answer, A, wink. Nictitate is to wink and expectorate is to spit. Thank you for watching this video. We will be continuing with some other good questions and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, in our videos we have tried to explain a few concepts to you and I hope you have benefited from watching these videos. In case you enjoyed watching these videos, please feel free to like and share them. In case you have any queries, please feel free to get back to us in comments. We'd be very happy to help you out. Happy learning and thank you.